Good afternoon everyone. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating kusina at tayo maghahanda ng ating first soup. So ayan, papaya, isang keros, yan, white fungus yan. At saka yung meat is pork bones. So ayan, yan ang ihahanda natin para sa ating soup for tonight. So come on guys, let's go. Ayan, na-slice natin ang mga yan. So, let's blanch the meat. Yan, blanch natin muna. Saka natin iluto. May bawang tayo dito. Ayan. So, ayan, hugasan natin yan kasi tapos na blanch. So, let's wash before we put. That's it. Nalagay natin yung meat. So, lagay natin din yung carrots, bawang, at saka yung mga mamaya na yung papaya at saka yung white fungus kasi madaling maluto yun after 30 minutes. So, ayan guys, I hope you enjoy watching and thank you for watching my videos. So, bye-bye for now.